Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a bit of a frustration going on, and it's visible for some users, and it's also visible for some groups that aren't happy with Microsoft. The Public Interest Research Group that is overlooking the fact that Microsoft will be basically have people throw away and companies throw away 400 million PCs is slamming Microsoft, saying that this is going to be one of the single most powerful dump of perfectly good computers ever, due to the fact that a lot of them, about 400 million, according to their research, 400 million PCs are unable to go to Windows 11. And of course, Microsoft does not explain anything about how things can change and how these PCs can be used in other ways. Microsoft does not say that, there's other things. Of course, Linux users know that, you can put a Linux distro on these machines. But the thing is that we have to look and focus at the reality of all of it. Is nobody's going to Linux. People that think that are really not in the world that we live in. People that have Windows want Windows. And a Linux machine, they don't even know what it is, and they don't even care about it. And they don't want to have any fussy thing, different thing, because it is fussy, different, and yes, complicated for somebody that isn't really a power user. So there's no discussion about operating systems, about Linux, about anything. And this is the reason why the Public Interest Research Group is asking Microsoft to be much more open about the free extended operating system now that we could have, the free extended security updates for Windows 10 so that you can keep your PC. And it's going even further and saying that 1 year is not enough. There should be more than 1 year offered for the extended support of machines. Of course, the problem here is that everybody is together in this. And when I say everybody, the governments have been starting to say, well, it's better to move on to Windows 11. A lot of companies, of course, hardware companies. So Microsoft isn't the only one to blame here. There's a host of companies and of governments that are in here that are just part of the problem. And it is true that there are tons of perfectly working PCs going out there. And then when I was a tech guy, people would throw away the PCs for not much. I probably ended up at some point with dozens of laptops that I would refurbish and sell at an extremely low price to people that were, too poor to actually have or buy a PC because their old computer, broke. And this is sad because you see that there's still a lot of use for a lot of these machines. So yeah, it's absolutely true that Microsoft could do maybe a better job. According to Canalys, which is also a analyst of the PC market, they say that according to them, it's about 240 million PCs going to the dumpster. So probably the number is somewhere in the middle between that 400 million from the Public Interest Research Group and the 240 million from Canalys. But it is sad, absolutely, that a lot of PCs, perfectly good PCs, will go to the dumpster because of this technology change. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.